Hey YouTube, what's good? Today we're going to be doing a room tour. Let's get into it. Okay, I just want to tell y'all something real quick before we get into the video. YouTube turned off my YouTube comments. It was not me. I don't know why they've been doing this, but let's get into the video. Okay guys, so when you walk into the room, you see this chair right here. It is a gaming chair we got from Amazon. It is definitely a must-have for me. I love just sitting there all throughout the day, doing multiple things. We have some pencils and stuff that we keep over here. I don't really know what you call that, but it like kind of makes stuff go the other way. There's a tablet right there, my keyboard, and a little plant. It's fake, but I do keep it in here just for the like aesthetic. Guys, as you saw at the desk, that's kind of the room setup that I'm going for. Is really modern, you know, just some grays and just like some subtle colors like that. So yeah, let's get to the next part. Okay guys, moving on to the next part of the room, we have this little side desk right here where I just kind of keep all my clothes and other stuff like that. I have a lot of food and like drinks down here, some body armors. I keep those down here, some clothes in these, and then I have this, you can't beat the person who never gives up. It's kind of motivational poster, some sunglasses for the summertime, picture of me playing soccer back in like 2013, 2014, another motivational poster, Sony clock. This thing, I love having this thing. It is such a lifesaver in the morning. We have a little wireless charger for my phone. Love that thing as well. Just throw your phone right on and it's perfect. Let's get in the next part. Okay guys, moving on to the main part of the bedroom. This is my bed. I love this thing. It is so comfortable. The mattress on this thing is amazing. Got some nice heavy blankets right here and a little soccer ball thing my mom got me. Love that thing. Pillow in this thing, like you sit on it, it's like a chair for your bed, but it's got a fat hole in it that I need to fix. So yeah, let's get into the next part. Okay guys, moving on to one of my favorite parts of my room is this little other desk right here. I have two clothes right there, stuff right here, Jack's stuff, some of his clothes, and some other mysterious stuff back there. We have my Bible, some books, some vitamins, and some pencil sharpeners. And then we have this soccer.com thing, has a lot of cool boots in it, have some Germex, some chapstick, and a charger for my phone at night. And we have this little $5 ball thing, soccer ball, and it was really cool because it kind of looks like rusted, but it's not. It's like really cool. So yeah, I love this part of our room mainly because, you know, it's just easy to just put stuff on and just kind of put anything there that you want. So yeah. Okay guys, moving on to a really cool part of my room. As you guys can see, we'll start at the top. We have a little 2016 magazine thing that I got, and I kind of ripped everything out inside of it just for the looks, because it looks really cool. Yes, I know that Mr. Cristiano Ronaldo left Real Madrid, but it's still cool for the memories. I have a little water bottle here that I bring to school, my TV, and this little hammer thing to like cut stuff with and everything. Soccer poster where I keep all my change and that. And then this thing is like, you put your tablet on it. If you guys haven't seen it, put your tablet on it and it just kind of sits there. It's really good for like when you're in your bed or anything. Here's some other drinks that I have. I have a lot of drinks in my room. This is some of the Gatorade that I have. Okay, so moving on to the bathroom. This is kind of one of the main places in the morning, you know, getting ready and everything. And we have this ginormous mirror right here. Very big, some cool lights. And our sink right here, you know, the business area, and the shower. Okay, so moving on to the next area, this is going to be a very cool place. Okay, so moving on to the closet, we have all types of clothes in here. We have jeans, the sweatshirts, the polos, and everything. Have a little laundry basket right here, a suitcase from Oklahoma, and some more storage areas, and my soccer bag from last video. If y'all watched that, go ahead and check that out. Link will be in the description. And some more storage up here, you know, just some useless stuff. And then there's all of my shoes right here, guys. lots of these and some soccer stuff coming on up into here and stuff, and some extra bags. Guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.